Hey, it's Jack from Alphacharts with a state of the market video. Today is September 28th, 2024. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. Now, I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. All right, thank you all for watching the video. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. Also, you can find me on X at Alphacharts365. I'm posting things mostly market related all week long, tons of charts and information that I deem interesting. I also run an educational subscriber group. It's $10 a month, super cheap, affordable for everybody. Give you a mess of information. Just from market videos on the weekend, special my extended watch list, focus list with only 4 or 5 names that look to me actionable for the week. Annotated charts, all in those as well. Midweek notes, weekend notes, daily market scans. People ask chart requests all the time, and I give them my opinion on it. Just a ton of information for only $10 a month. It's great if you're, just learning how to trade. If you've been trading for a while, just want another opinion on this. You really for that price point, you can't get a better deal out there. And I put information in so many different ways because not everyone consumes it in the same way, right? Some people rather read a market note. Some people rather watch a video, right? Some people just want certain pieces of information. They just want the annotated charts. Each one of those is worth $10 a month, and I'm giving everybody all of that. I also just started the pick of the week, which is a 1 week buy on Monday if it hits, and you have to sell by Friday. That's been really, really fun and successful so far. So again, all kinds of stuff that we are doing here. If you're interested, go to Alphacharts365, click on that subscribe button. Like I said, it's $10 a month. Again, for what you're getting, even if you only use 2 or 3 of these things, it's completely worth the value. All right, let's get into these charts. Yeah, we really haven't gone anywhere in a week. The consolidation that we were expecting basically has happened. Obviously, there's geopolitical risks that have been heightened on Friday, so we don't know how the market is going to digest it. So far, they aren't too worried about it unless things really blow up over the weekend. So we will, I still think that we're in an uptrend, and this is just a normal consolidation within that uptrend. On the week, it was basically flattish. Was it up 0.5% or so? So nothing special up on the week. You had the RSP that was up 0.85. So that's kind of nice to see again, moving higher and going back to the daily, but really just a sideways grind to the higher, letting the moving averages catch up after this nice move right over here. That's what markets do. So everything looks a-okay to me right now on SPY and RSP. Looking at the Qs, similar enough, try to move higher, couldn't, up almost 1%. Again, just trying to let these moving averages catch up. Here's the equal weighted up 1%, and it did get above that $90 area, which to me is very, very important. So that's, that new area that we got to watch. Again, kind of sideways grind to the up, letting these moving averages really start to catch up. This 50 days flattening out. So everything looks fine for now, right? Going to the mid caps. They're right near all-time highs. Again, kind of a choppy trade in here. Not the easiest, but they are near all-time highs, so that is a beautiful thing. They're up 0.5%, similar to SPY. And, again, may need a little bit more time to grind it out. These moving averages are like right there, so maybe another day or two. We'll see. And then looking at the small caps, they were actually down 0.6%. So definitely still the laggard in the bunch. Just not look how nasty and messy this is even on the weekly, and that's supposed to smooth things out. Maybe some sort of flag came back, tried to move higher, really couldn't. So we'll see how it reacts next week. But the moving averages are right there, so it has no excuses not to move higher. So we'll see what that's our expectation. We'll see if it meets it or if it breaks it, right? Um, Financials, again, let's go to the weekly, down 1% on the week. But right there at the moving averages, kind of again, choppy trade, but nothing that's overly concerning. SMH, I think that was down on the week. No, they were up, I'm sorry, 4% on the week. They were up big on the week. up 4% on the week. You have the 50-day starting to flatten out and it's starting to move higher. Break of this trend line. I think that's a big deal. And again, you have these moving averages bunched up, whether you want to, use that. Also, you have this consolidation that it broke higher from. I think that's a big deal as well. Nothing, again, not doing anything wrong. Here's your XSD on the week, up 5%, so beat out even SMH. Big spot right here. We'll see, what happens, but it does need to consolidate some. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see some choppy action for a couple days, or a week or so until these moving averages can kind of sort themselves out. But semiconductors are looking good, right? IYT. We weren't sure about them in this area, but now they're looking like a big, big base. And if this breaks out, that's extremely bullish. So we're watching for that for the breakout there. Again, they're extended. Maybe they need a little consolidation. On the week they were up 2%. It's a solid move for them. And again, we'll see how they get to the 71 area. That's the more important area for me. XTN was up 3%. So that's the equal weighted transports. And again, trying to kind of get out of this general supply area. So above 84, 85. I think that's going to be an important level for the equal weighted. Again, am I trading directly off what transports do? No, but I'm paying attention to them because they do talk a lot about how the economy is doing, and the market is a proxy for that in some ways, right? ITB right there at all-time highs, looks fantastic. This is the up 1% on the week, by the way. Home construction ETF, again, it's just continues to grind higher. They made a few bases now, right? So at some point they're going to start to get tired, but they're grinding higher, and each base seems like a little shorter in stature. So that may be coming to an end. We'll see. We don't know that till after the fact. And here's XHB up 1.5%. Again, just kind of breaking out of this base, but really not going anywhere. It's just a sideways consolidation, letting the moving averages catch up. Not doing anything wrong though, right? So that's the answer to all this. Not doing anything wrong. And so if it's not doing anything wrong, the expectation is we're going to be in the direction of the trend, and the trend is higher, right? The trend is higher. So we could see that right here very clearly. And so that's our expectation. So anything that breaks expectations would change our mind and change our attitude towards things. But as of right now, we had a nice big move here. And now we had a sideways consolidation, letting the moving averages catch up. Take out any kind of geopolitical issues. Um, things should move higher. We'll see over the weekend what happens, and see what happens Monday morning. If there's gaps, stay calm. Let's see how it all shakes out, and then we could go from there. Okay. That's what I got for you. If you haven't done so, check me out on X at Alphacharts365 and go ahead and click that subscribe button. Like I said, it's month to month, $10 each, and that's super, super easy to do. And hope y'all are doing well. Take care. Bye-bye.